Hi guys, jumping straight in. So I'm applying this eyeshadow to my lid. As you guys can see, I'm basically just moving my brush in a back and forth motion. So I'm just going back and forth, and now I'll be applying it to my second eye. Just blend that baby out. And now I'm applying a concealer to my lid to give me that cut crease shape. Now doing this, you have to be very gentle so that it will be easier for you to make that cut crease shape. So as you can see, I'm just being very gentle in applying my concealer to my lid. So right about now, I'll be applying this eyeshadow to my lid where I've already concealed. And basically all I'll be doing right now is just to dab that eyeshadow onto my concealer. As you can see, I'm being very gentle with it. Voila. So right now, all I'm going to do is just try to blend that baby out. And now I'm applying a darker shade of eyeshadow to the edge of my lid. Just trying to blend that baby out, and that's it. Now that wasn't so hard, was it? And I did the second eye and fixed my lashes off camera. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys love it. I am so glad I helped you. If you don't know how to do a cut crease, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I love you all so much.